We are very pleased to be here once again to be part of Hula Piko. We are Moloka'i from the island of Oahu on the leeward side, White Anai. And hi, Liana and Glenn, formerly from the White Anai side. We are going to do our mele today, all for Pele, our tutu Pele. So the first mele that you got to see today was Te Ha'ala Puna, which was the mele that when Pele first saw the hula dance, her favorite sister did with her friend Hopoi. The next mele we do for you is called Kualoa. In the legend of Pele and Hi'iaka is asked to go and fetch Pele's love from the island of Kauai. And there's many obstacles in the way that happens, and this particular obstacle happens on the island of Hawaii, the big island, and she has to pass through the forest of Pane'ewa, and she has to deal with the mo'o that lives there that does not want her to pass through. So we do for you Kualoa. Allah kuahulu paneheba hikalau inot mahachahoia tu japa japa tama okalehua o ohina itavela ate akua wahi punaito olok apohaku na pea ia e kavahine na nahua ita papa olu ea mo motua hi punahalai apu Ahulihi alaikai, alihuwe ayulai, ahulihi alaihuka, arwa ava, arwa no aha, arwa hele 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 hele, ai